Hi guys, what is new at Costco? 15 finds at the store. Let's go check it out.
Cam, what is this place? You can literally buy everything you need from birth to death. Oh my god.
Finally, Costco got capsules for Nespresso Vertua Plus. These are Starbucks and there are 68 capsules. 4 different flavors. What a great deal! We divide the price by the amount of capsules and we get $1.17 for your coffee.
Well, the doctor says 1 cup of coffee a day can't hurt.
Smeg is now at Costco. Look at this stylish coffee machine. It can contain 1.4 liters of water and you can make 10 cups of coffee. If you are a fan of this brand, then you will also like the toaster from Smeg. This is stainless steel and you can fit 2 pieces of bread. It is very shiny and you might need to clean it often since, well, you will see all your fingerprints. Next, 4 mini Dutch ovens with lid. They are very small, the size of the palm. You could bake eggs in it, make onion soup, stew or crumble. Share in comments below, what do you think these are good for? To make your home smell good, this candle will actually help. It's a scent of sandalwood.
So romantic.
Turkey time. Yes, it's this time of the year. They're raised without antibiotics, infused with extra virgin oil and herbs. Organic option is also available. These are raised in Canada. French brioche. I hope I spell it well. These are filled with garlic, fine herbs and soft white cheese. It can be a great snack for work or school. It's not Christmas yet, but Costco is getting ready. Set of 2 Christmas lights, each 8.9 meters. You could decorate your door or your tree. The lights are dimmable, there are 17 solid colors and 22 color modes. If you're looking for a new holiday village, this could be a great option. From Disney, it has lights and music, 13 pieces. Share in comments below which one of these is your favorite character. When we decorate for the holidays, we do it indoor but also outdoor. Twinkling train, 3 pieces set. Imagine how this will look in your front yard. Not sure about the train? There is this option, 3 reindeers in gold. They're full of LED lights. And confuse us even more with option, have a look at these beautiful 4 snowmans. I'm sure your neighbors will love to have it too. Now we do need a Christmas tree, right? This is option number 1, indoor, but there is also outdoor, like this one. You don't need to worry about decorations, they're not needed here. Last Christmas item for today will be penguin greeter with lantern. What a stylish guy, he's wearing a real hat and a real scarf. Before Christmas, it's Halloween first. This is a 3-meter alien, completely animated. I'm sure all the kids in your neighborhood will adore this one. You can easily make the trick or treat unforgettable.
Happy Halloween!
There is something for indoor too, like this one. Halloween greeter. If you would like to skip the curving this year, this Mickey Mouse is all set. These were all new finds at Costco this week. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next finds of the week. But before I see you next time, there are 2 products that I would like to recommend. One is this seaweed salad. It's gluten-free, vegan and no cholesterol. Ready to eat, savory sesame dressing. It definitely became one of my favorite. Second product is this one, sea salt caramels. They come back every year before the holidays. Rich dark chocolate and sea salt sprinkles. I love it. That's it for today. Have a good one and see you in the next episode. Bye!